I was hired into this building as a one-on-one aide for an autistic student, and my student actually moved away, and so there wasn't a position available for me, and the position here in the kitchen opened up. They asked me if I would be interested in trying that out, and I did. From there, it just kind of took off, and then I took over the kitchen. I guess the rest is history. I really take pride in our kitchen and what we're doing, and I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, but that's okay. I think that's good for this job. You know, we're a small school district, so we actually, know the students all pretty well, and I think that also helps me in doing my job. I'm able to do those little added extra touches that probably the bigger schools are not able to do just because of the amount of lunches that they have to prepare and serve. We have just a small staff, and we're able to really serve some really great meals here, and I think the kids really enjoy it.
They're amazing, and not just amazing because of the quality food that they cook, but the love they put into it. When the kids come through the line, they know them by name. They know what their favorite food is. They know, oh, you're allergic to pineapple, Jimmy. You can't have that, but I made this special for you. It's like a home-cooked meal.
One of the ideas that I came up with was a concept called our Flavor Station, which has been featured all over the state of Michigan because they had reduced the sodium requirements in the schools, and so the flavor of the food was a little lacking. Yeah, so what I wanted to do was spice it up. So we've got all kinds of different low salt or no salt seasonings that the students can add to their foods at any time, and so that really adds a lot. Our students cannot have coffee because we have a 4th through 8th grade, but we started serving hot chocolate, and the USDA really liked my idea. All I did was take our current chocolate milk that we're serving, and we warmed it up and put it in a little fancy cup with a lid. And hot chocolate, the kids are funny because it depends on what I name things. I served these, they're called teriyaki dippers, and we kept trying to serve them, and the kids would not take them, wouldn't take them, until I changed the name to Steak Bites, and suddenly, boom, they wanted it because it was named steak. So it really is what you're calling it, what it looks like, and of course how it tastes.
I think it's lacking nowadays that families don't necessarily get to eat together. Here, every day we do, and it's special.